This right here is 12027 Storflor. He is a high demand bull thanks to his great trait profile and interesting pedigree. He is sired by 11819 Onsdag. His paternal grandsire is 11033 Reitan 2, and his maternal grandsire is 11078 Bokbollen. This means that 10177 Braut is his maternal great-grandsire. He gives daughters with high component percentages. He is excellent for mastitis resistance, and his beta-casein is A2A2. In addition to this, he gives daughters with excellent udders and gives smaller calves, which makes him very good for heifer matings. There's no doubt why he is so popular in many markets.